So I did another quick message because I was wondering, how can Mother Nature help others out? We have the Sun card here. It will help bring you success in. If you sit outside, if you ground yourself, if you give yourself some time outside and literally let Mother Nature within you. King of Pentacles. It will help you out a lot more with your pentacles, with building your business. You will end up a lot more stable by giving yourself some time in Mother Nature. You can reflect or meditate. You can literally come outside, reflect, and meditate. King of Wands. You can become that leader that you're meant to be. You can become independent. Give yourself some self-care. Time in nature. Give yourself some self-care. Some victory and success. You may then get the love of your life. Spend some time in nature. Give yourself some nature and see how it helps you out on your own journey.